So in this video, we'll look at these two new coffee grinders from Eureka, ZEUS and Atom W75. First, we'll take them out of the box to show you both grinders in action with the key details and specs. And then we'll bring them to our local specialty coffee shop for field tests behind the bar. All to learn if either ZEUS or Atom W75 is the best coffee grinder for your specialty coffee bar update. This video was done as a paid collaboration with Eureka brands. Okay, let's start with ZEUS. ZEUS is an all-purpose single-dose grinder from Eureka Oro, a high-performance machine with powerful yet silent motor and 85mm pure diamond flat burrs. It's built for increasing number of specialty cafes, finding a good use in single-dose grinders for the espresso and filter coffee menu. What you notice straight away is unique design and engineering of the grinder. In our case, in black color, and even though it looks massive, it's only over 50 centimeters tall and weighs about 16 kilos. Getting ready for the first use is fairly simple. Just attach the small coffee hopper with the lid, quickly mount the grinding chamber, adjust the fork with a small knob, and you are ready to turn it on. As a first impression, it was shocking how silent it was for such a grinder. As we learned while working on this video, Eureka added Ice Motion Tech to ZEUS, which is basically a heat-free motor feature that maintains high-volume grinding without affecting coffee quality due to the increased motor temperature. Now, on both sides of the grinder there are big knobs to easily control grind size and to adjust motor speed. You can go from 750 to 1400 rotations per minute. For grind size, there is also stepless adjustment system to perfectly dial in espresso or filter coffee recipe. ZEUS is engineered as a single-dose grinder with zero retention goal. What contributes to that low coffee retention is slope motor with a specifically designed grinding chamber and blow-up system for complete coffee release. And as a bonus for baristas, once you finish a day behind the bar, you can quickly release the grinding chamber for fast cleaning routine. No time wasted. The retail price of the ZEUS grinder is between 2,000 and 2,500 euros. And now it's time to look at Atom W75. So Atom W75 espresso grinder from Eureka 1920 is fast and silent professional grinder with instant grind weighing technology. It's a compact yet powerful espresso grinder with 75mm burrs and solid metal body. It comes tested and pre-calibrated from Eureka facility, so once you attach the coffee hopper for about 1.2 kilos of coffee, you are ready to go. We notice how easy it is to use. Once you turn it on, there is a big knob to control grind size and responsive touchscreen to pick from 3 pre-programmed doses or continuous mode. Display allows you to monitor weight in real time, and you can also quickly switch between doses, even during grinding. The grind weighing technology allows you to set precise recipes in grams and expect a consistent dosing in a portafilter with 0.2 grams tolerance, and also clean workflow that minimizes coffee waste. Once again, we're so surprised how silent this grinder was during our testing. The retail price of the Atom W75 grinder sits below 2,000 euros, and specs like burst option or color will define the final price. Okay, so now it's time to take it to the test behind the bar. We brought both grinders to our friends at Ole Espresso Bar in Brno, Czech Republic. It's a small neighborhood specialty coffee spot that we proudly feature in our mobile apps. The co-owner Honza Žiru is always excited to try new coffee technology, so we knew grinders were in good hands for 3 weeks behind the bar test.
I was really surprised that the ZEUS, even though it looks big, it's quite lightweight, but it's still very sturdy. So I really like how it fits at the counter because we have all the equipment black, so it's like a nice one composition. Our use case is we use the ZEUS for hand brews and the batch brew also, and then we use it for the caffeinated coffee because there is a big demand for it nowadays. So we need to change the grind size pretty quickly, which is really easy at the ZEUS. And also the preciseness of the grind size is also great. I think that the coffee retention is quite nice. This grinder it's maybe half a gram when you make bigger doses. But what we use the blow up for is to cleaning between the burst space throughout the day. So you just blow the leftover of the coffee and it's prepared for the next batch. What we really like at the ZEUS grinder was the silent operation. It's really important for us at this kind of size of the place. It also comes with a small shaker which you can use for dosing straight into the portafilter, which is a really nice feature for the workflow. And about the cleaning, it's absolutely amazing. you just push the button, just turn the burst a little bit, and it's done. You just swipe it, and it's all clean. So speaking about the Atom grinder, which we use mainly for espresso, it's more like classical design, as you can see, but what I really like was the small footprint it has at the counter, because it's really important for us, because as you can see, it's not a big space. I think that our barista team really appreciated the built-in scales, because it's really good for their workflow behind the bar. It's much faster. It's pretty accurate. Sometimes it's 0.2 grams, which is really nice, comparing to other competitors. It's a really clean workflow. You just put the portafilter in, it grinds, then you just temp it. It's quite nice. And also the distribution to the portafilter is really nice, because what I see, it has like a little wavy kind of flow when it grinds, so it distributes quite nicely into the portafilter. It has a really detailed graphic, and also you can just lightly press the desired dose, and it's really responsive.
So now it's your time to share your thoughts about these Eureka grinders. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments, and we'll do our best to answer it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.